Let's walk through an SAT exam really quickly, just so you can see it. The test begins with the reading test, which is 65 minutes long and includes 52 questions. As you can see, the test is broken down into passages, each of them including 10 questions associated with each passage. The passages draw from fiction, from history, from social sciences, and even from the natural sciences. After that, the student will be asked to begin the writing and language test, which is 35 minutes long and includes 44 questions. This test is also broken down into passages. Here, the questions relate to grammar concepts and some editorial skills. Students will then be given a short break, after which they'll begin the math test, which this section does not allow the use of a calculator, and it includes 20 questions which must be completed within 25 minutes. You can see here that a formula sheet is also provided for student use. You'll notice as well that there are a few questions that are student-generated or open response questions. As you can see here, this is not a multiple choice, and so students must enter their own answers. Finally, the students will be asked to complete the math test, which does allow the use of a calculator. This is 55 minutes long and includes 38 questions. Again, the formula sheet is provided, and students will be asked to produce a few open response questions as well. For those students who are taking the optional essay component, the essay does require reading of a fairly long text, after which the student will be asked to examine how the author builds his argument and persuades his audience. That's about it. As you can see, the kids have a lot in front of them, and so maybe we can come into this with a little bit of empathy for these kids.